Hi everybody, welcome to Non-Perfect Parenting. We are here talking about these lipo patch buttocks up. So whenever you get to a certain age, guess what? Gravity kicks in and different parts of our body start going down. So our butt is one of them, and these patches are going to help you reverse those parts of gravity. So it is going to help you lift your butt. Well, what you do is every 2 days you can use these patches, and you wear them for 4 to 8 hours every 2 days. So this kit comes with 4 patches, so it is good for 4 applications. You put them on your butt and you wear them for 4 to 8 hours. Now, I have had very good results with them, and I'm pleased with them. My husband is as well. So they are available on Amazon. I really like them. They're great. And you know, after you get to a certain point in your life, you're concerned about how you look. And you know, you have to do what you can to keep appearances up. So go to Amazon, feel better about how you look, and help kick gravity's butt. So thank you, and go to my website for the complete review, nonperfectparenting.com. Have a good day, everyone.